Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by reducing variables. Close distracting tabs and force quit the browser so Chrome can release hung processes. Once done, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and confirm no Chrome. EXE or Google Chrome remains. This prevents ghost processes from locking resources. Next, disable all extensions to test whether an add-on causes the hang. Extensions often leak memory or block the UI. Make sure to check Chrome's About page and update. Many hangs resolve when you install the latest fixes and security patches. Now you clear state and narrow the cause. First, purge cache and cookies for the sites that hang. Stale data can break scripts and resource loading. Once cleared, run Chrome in incognito or create a fresh user profile. This separates profile corruption from system issues. Then open Chrome's internal task manager to spot tabs or extensions using excessive CPU or memory. End those tasks to restore responsiveness. If a particular site or extension reappears as the culprit, you'll know what to remove or update. Finish with advanced remedies if hangs persist. Reset Chrome settings to defaults or perform a clean reinstall. This removes corrupted files and bad flags. Try disabling hardware acceleration. Graphics driver conflicts can freeze the UI or toggle GPU process flags when diagnosing rendering stalls. Also validate system health. Run disk checks, test RAM, and install OS updates because underlying system faults can manifest as browser hangs. If nothing works, a key tip: create a portable Chromium profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.